Hi there, this is Ankit back again with another video. So first of all, welcome all of you in my channel KN Technology. So without wasting our time, let us start our today's session. So in the last video, I was working on print ticket.file, in which I was working on how to display the different passenger name corresponding to their ticket number. But I had left some of the part of that print ticket file which is in the navigation bar, and part that I left is, you can see here on the screen that where there is a email ID showing there is no drop down menus for logout option. Okay, so in this video I will try to complete that part first and then move to the next section. So for this, come to Salam text editor and come to navigation bar. The navigation bar, okay. After the first anchor tag, okay, why this anchor tag here? No, there is no any use of this anchor tag. After the anchor tag on line number 69 or from line number 68, we will provide a div tag with the class attribute with the value drop down menu, inside which we will have form tag with attribute method having the value post. Inside the form tag we will have anchor tag, okay, with the class attribute having the value drop down item, and after that we will have content as logout. After that the form tag will be closed and div tag will be closed. Okay, but before closing of div tag we should go for another anchor tag, okay, with the attribute href having the value of first.php, and the class will be drop down item. Okay, the content will be offers. So this is here that we have added inside anchor tag is an element that will be shown on the navigation bar on the right hand side, so that after clicking on this icon or this element, user can log out from the website itself. Okay, so this is all about this. After that follow me from line number 104. If is set $_post logout, okay. Actually, there is no any name attribute available in the anchor tag on line number 72. Sorry, 70. So we will provide here name attribute with the value logout, so that from here we can catch the click of logout. Okay, if it's so, if the button is clicked or anchor tag is clicked, we will set to session to a unset, session dot unset, and session dot destroy, and now we will redirect the user to the location called login.php. So this is it for this section. Now save it and see the changes. Okay, 109. So now you can see, okay, there is some error. There are some error in our visualization. I think in bootstrap part. Okay. Now let me see the changes first. Drop down menu, drop down item. Form tag, after that div tag, then li tag. Now refresh this page again to see the changes. Still it is coming likewise. Okay, after clicking on logout, okay, there is no response. Okay, it is not working. Okay, let me do changes some in anchor tag. So we have converted, we have changed the anchor tag into button tag. For the sake of simplicity, now refresh this page. So now you can see it is working properly, and after clicking 3, on clicking on Gitanjali Travels. So this is it. Now on clicking on bus ticket and clicking on print ticket, on clicking on this we are getting logout option. So that's all about this. We will see later also on anchor tag, but we are in hurry to complete this project, so we will see using button tag. Okay, so after this I have also shown you the corresponding passenger details on the corresponding ticket numbers in the last videos, and in this video I have completed the logout option, logout functionality for the users. Now we will move towards the cancel of ticket. Okay, so for this, first of all come to cancel.php file, cancellation.php. now here user need to sign in himself in order to cancel his ticket. Okay, so for this first let the just login himself, and for this we will come to cancellation file. Okay, I will show this cancellation functionality in the next video onwards, and let this video to be simple. Thank you. See you in next video. Stay tuned with us.